The project group is organizing a server infrastructure upgrade to meet organizational requirements. Which action should the team prioritize as their first step? Option A, write a statement of work. Option B, initiate a project issue tracker. Option C, evaluate technical compatibility. Option D, formulate a restoration procedure. This question asks us to consider the logical workflow of an infrastructure upgrade project. When embarking on a significant technical change, different project management and engineering tasks are necessary. The key is to identify which action sets the foundation for all subsequent planning and implementation efforts, ensuring that the team understands the project's viability before moving forward.
In my view, the correct answer is C, evaluate technical compatibility. Before drafting any formal documentation, like a statement of work, or planning for risk mitigation, like a restoration procedure, you must first understand the technical environment. Evaluating compatibility ensures that the upgrade is actually feasible based on current standards.
As for the other options, a statement of work follows the definition of project scope. Initiating an issue tracker is a management task performed during the project's execution phase, not the planning stage. Finally, a restoration procedure is a mitigation strategy that is developed only after the technical plan is already set. For your exam, always look for the option that represents the fundamental discovery phase of a project. When you see questions regarding the first step, prioritize activities that involve assessing the current state, as you cannot plan for or manage what you do not yet understand technically.